Good morning, students. Take your classwork. Shall we start to write poem 2 question and answers? Yeah. Take fresh page. Write poem 2 at the center of the line. Then leave one line and write rain in summer. It should be the capital letter rain, R-A-I-N, rain in, I-N, summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer, rain in summer. First Roman letter, answer the following. First question, what season of the year is being described? How do you know this? In this poem, what season of the year is being described? Can you tell me that? Yes, summer is being described. The poet mentions dust and heat and fiery street. How do you say this poem is described summer means? Because during that summer season it is too dust and heat and a fiery street. Yes. Then come to second question. Why is the rain always welcome? Yes, we people like to listen rain, like to drench with the rain and all, isn't it? Yes. Why is the rain always welcome? Rain is always welcome because it provides relief from the scorching heat. When it is raining during afternoon time, it is too heat, it's too hot, isn't it? Yeah. Rain is always welcome because it provides relief from the scorching heat. Come to third question. Which lines from the poem tell you that a heavy shower is being described? Yes, which lines from the poem? Can you take your content book and check it now? How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane, it pours and pours. These four lines shows that a heavy shower is being described. Come to the next question. What is a metaphor? Explain the following metaphors. Fiery street from the throat of the overflowing spout. Yes, first come to first question. What is meant by metaphor? A metaphor is the comparison of one thing to another thing without the use of like or as. Similarly, we know very well there is a comparison takes place between two things by using the words like or as. Here, there is also comparison, but they are not using the word like or as. For first example, fiery street. The street is being talked about which is as hot as fire. In this word meaning, the street is being talked about which is as hot as fire. Here there is comparison takes place as hot as fire, but that as and like is not mentioned in metaphor. Come to next example. From the throat of the overflowing spout. The overflowing spout is like a throat down which the rainwater is falling, causing it to overflow. Here like a throat down. Here without using the word like that mentioned, that we call it as metaphor. Next, fifth question. Write a few line poem on rain. Now you are going to write a poem by using rhyming words or alliteration, consonants, simile, personification, whatever it is. At least write 4-line poems by your own. Got it, children? I hope that you all understood this one. Finish your classwork. Thank you, children.